For the last 21 years, Apex has built a reputation as a world-class sheet metal fabricator. It all started when another company, Keytronic, decided to sell its metal shop. And Deis details that Spokane Valley company in this week's edition of Made in the Northwest.
Apex Industries just celebrated 21 years in business at its 66,000 square foot facility in the Spokane Valley Industrial Park. Matt Matthews, a former sheet metal manager for Keytronic, approached Gordon Cudney, a longtime accountant, about buying the company together back in '93.
So I was approached, and so I kind of wanted to do it, and so we did.
Their relationship has led to Apex becoming a world-class sheet metal fabricator, which serves industries like electronics, medical, and aerospace, but also makes a wide variety of other products.
You see a lot of enclosures, electronics. We've done some stuff in furniture. We've made wine dispensers. We've made specialized lighting for greenhouses.
Apex has 85 employees who operate millions of dollars in specialized equipment.
Any money we could put back into equipment, we have done that. And so now, equipment-wise, we can compete with just about anybody in the region.
The best example is this 4,000-watt F1 Omada laser, which cost Apex about $1 million, but has been worth every penny.
With that big tower, you can load about 40,000 pounds of metal on there and go home. And it will work all night long, all weekend long without you being here, because you've loaded the programs into the machine.
Apex has also spent a small fortune on checking equipment so that
once you measure a part the first time, you can put subsequent parts on there. It automatically checks hole-to-hole dimensions and sizes and everything else.
It's a big advantage for the company, and here's another.
Apex does all of its washing, curing, and powder coating right here in-house. It's something that not every company does, and it makes it more attractive to potential customers.
On a giant conveyor, parts are washed with a combination of different chemicals and then cured. Powder coating is then applied by 2 people in a booth before the final drying process.
It's like picking fruit. On the end, you just start harvesting the parts as they come off.
Despite watching high-volume work go offshore to places like China or Mexico, Apex has managed to find its niche.
We have tried to adapt into doing high-end kind of parts that are harder to move, that are more complicated.
Its products meet standards all over the world and are aerospace certified. And as a member of the Inland Northwest Aerospace Consortium, Apex is working to bring more of that business to the area.
And then hopefully, obviously, we'll get our piece.
And that could keep Apex in business for another 21 years or more. From Maine, the Northwest, I'm Deis, KXOY 4 News.